शुरू करें।
हाँ चंगोटी आज क्या लाई।
कुछ दिनों पहले ऑब्सीडियन राइटिंग ऐप के बारे में बोल रही थी तू,
हाँ
एंड कोइंसिडेंटली कुछ दिनों के बाद मैं कुछ और पढ़ रहा था और कुछ और मिला, और मेरे को ऑब्सीडियन जो सीईओ है उसके ब्लॉग में वो एक एक्सरसाइज करता है हर साल, 40 क्वेश्चंस दैट यू शुड आस्क योर सेल्फ एवरी ईयर, वो मिला एंड आई फाउंड इट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। तो मैं सोचा
आई एम श्योर मुझे ही बकरा बनाने वाले हो।
नहीं नहीं, दोनों आंसर करेंगे। तो his whole purpose is to take those questions, he himself says कि ये लो एडिट करो जो करो, एंड फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली और बाकी कलीग्स में उसने बांटा है कि तुम ये एक्सरसाइज करो खुद के साथ, हर साल करो। मैं करता हूँ और मुझे इंटरेस्टिंग लगा तो मुझे लगा करना चाहिए। तो मे बी वी टेक द फर्स्ट 10 क्वेश्चंस वन बाय वन एंड फिर देखते हैं कैसे जाता है। वी कैन ट्राई टू बी एज ऑनेस्ट एज पॉसिबल विथ ईच अदर, मोर टू आवरसेल्व्स एक्चुअली रादर देन ईच अदर। तो पहला क्वेश्चन के लिए रेडी है तू? द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, सो द होल थिंग इज 40 क्वेश्चंस यू सपोज टू आस्क योरसेल्फ एवरी ईयर, एंड वी आर एट दैट राइट पॉइंट, यू नो 26 पूरी तरीके से शुरू नहीं हुआ है, वी जस्ट फिनिश्ड जनवरी। सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट डिड यू डू दिस ईयर, व्हिच मींस 2025, that you had never done before? What did you do this year that you had never done before?
That I have never done before. I think even though I started this a little earlier, but this year I think I made complete peace with the notion कि हमेशा एक ऐसे होता था कि अच्छे लोगों के साथ गलत चीजें क्यों होती है, या ये जो कर्मा है, I don't see any repercussions of people's bad deed. But then I think this year especially I gather myself and I realize maybe it is मेरे मन गढ़ंत कहानी, एंड जो लोग जो करते हैं उनको उनका फल मिलता है। मे बी इन माई हेड, इन अकॉर्डिंग टू माई POV दे आर डूइंग रॉन्ग थिंग्स, बट इफ अकॉर्डिंग टू सोशल नॉर्म्स इफ दे आर successful, that means they are doing something right. And as soon as I realized that I wanted to make certain changes in my life, and I can already see the changes, only when you do right things will happen to you. So I started taking the first steps towards that.
What did I do this year that I have never done before? I think 2025 में enrolling in a post graduation full time degree thanks to you, which I have never done before. मैं तो graduation से drop out होता if not for my dad. तो post graduation करना वो भी इतने सालों के बाद, I think ये मैंने कभी नहीं किया है लाइफ में। तो
हर कोई एक ही बार करता है।
नहीं, बहुत लोग करते हैं ना, जो
You mean to
2
say
या
after
3
so many years and full time?
post graduation full time and after so many years, so something that I've never done before. Second question, did you keep your new year's resolution in 2025? मतलब जो 2024 में किया रहेगा।
So far
2024 में resolution लिया था तूने?
लिया था, बट नॉट लाइक अनाउंस्ड एंड ऐसा क्या बोलते हैं, ऐसा कुछ सोशल मीडिया पे पब्लिसाइज नहीं करके लिया था। इट वाज फॉर माई सेल्फ, एंड आई थिंक जितना हो सके आई स्टक टू इट।
अच्छा,
माई रेजोल्यूशन वॉज टू मेक द हाउस फंक्शनल। जितना हो सके मैंने करने की कोशिश की, कितना वो पता नहीं, बट करने की कोशिश तो 100% की। To come in the driver's seat of my life and take decisions that will work for me, not against me.
और काफी रेजोल्यूशंस किए। मैं डिड यू कीप योर न्यू ईयर्स रेजोल्यूशंस? मैं रखता ही नहीं हूँ, तो उसको पालने का सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होता। तो मेरा शॉर्ट एंड क्रिस्प आंसर है इसके लिए डिड।
ताली बजाओ, ताली।
क्या ताली? ऐसा कुछ नहीं, मेरे को कभी हुआ ही नहीं है ऐसा ये करने का। थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज, डिड एनीवन close to you give birth?
Give birth? Not this year.
नहीं, मेरे लिए भी नहीं। पक्का? हाँ, नहीं। नहीं, क्लोज इनफ तो कोई नहीं, बाकी तो पैदा होता ही रहता है सब जगह कोई ना कोई. Fourth question, did anyone close to you die 2025?
I mean, people who are in society, but I don't know any of them, many of them. So, I mean, of
Close
course,
to you?
no.
नहीं. Did anyone close to you die? नहीं. 2024 में हुआ, 25 में नहीं. What, fifth question, what cities, states, countries did you visit?
I think within Maharashtra I visited. It's not outside. Not out of India.
तमिलनाडु गई.
कहाँ गई?
2025.
Did I go?
हाँ.
हाँ तो वही मतलब within India,
नॉर्थ इंडिया.
North India. ओ चार धाम.
तो
अच्छा
इतना तो गई, इतने सारे.
अच्छा.
तमिलनाडु साइड गए, तमिलनाडु गई, नॉर्थ में गई, महाराष्ट्र में एक दो
right.
जगह गई. What cities, states, countries did I visit in 2025? State Tamil Nadu, city Coimbatore. That's it. Okay, but 2 बार, 3 बार नहीं, 2 बार. Sixth question, what would you like to have next year? That is अभी 26 में, that you lacked this year, which is in 2025.
I wanted a routine. And I wanted to stick to the calendar. So this year I wanted to do that, but so far it's still going for a toss. But it is much more better than the last year. Like compared to 25, in 26 I feel I am in much more control thanks to the action I have taken in 25.
What would you like to have next year that you lacked this year? For me, I think same as before. Clarity lacked. I would love to have clarity this year. So it's been an ongoing pursuit for me, years and years. Seventh, what date or dates from 2025 will remain etched upon your memory and why?
It's contrary to what I just did. But yes, my yatra to Char Dham, especially being in Kedarnath, that was really memorable. I'm very bad with dates, so may not be the dates, but the feeling of being there. And so I think even that was really. I think I'd been there for some training. And yes, it was quite different going to a learning the.
What dates from this year will remain etched upon my memory and why? I think दो जो तमिलनाडु के ट्रिप्स, तीन तमिलनाडु के ट्रिप्स लिए मैंने, जुलाई, अगस्त एंड अक्टूबर. But yes, all three were significant in some manner or the other. Plus, I was traveling alone for the first time. I hardly travel, so traveling alone is a different challenge altogether. So the whole idea of doing that and to going to places which I'm not familiar with, so that way these dates are there. Matlab, they're crucial for me, and I've never done that in my life, so that's why I think it's important right now. Eighth question, what was your biggest achievement of the year?
I think Char Dham, completing Char Dham without any real obstruction, like safely and soundly, even though the group was not really very pleasant, but that is immaterial. Going to those places and being in such powerful energy places, yeah.
तो इतना डिफिकल्ट होता है क्या चार धाम?
आजकल तो बहुत इजी कर दिया है, बट स्टिल इट इज चैलेंजिंग, एंड विथ माय कंडीशंस, माय हेल्थ सिचुएशंस एंड द काइंड ऑफ कंपनी आई हैड, इट वाज questionable.
So biggest achievement is what? Completing it peacefully,
going there, actually visiting, physically being present and being in that energy place. despite of all these situations.
मेरे लिए द बिगेस्ट अचीवमेंट ऑफ द ईयर 2025 है ना इज finishing semester 1 of my post graduation program क्योंकि
And scoring
तो बाद में है
So
रिजल्ट 2026 में है तो आई वोंट टेक इट आई थिंक अचीवमेंट वाइज
one
that
more
final
achievement
exam
was getting you admission, getting you admitted for the semester.
हाँ बिकॉज वो अचीवमेंट इसलिए बोलता हूँ मैं क्योंकि वो जो भी 4-5 महीना कंटिन्यूस में रहता कि मैं कभी भी ड्रॉप आउट हो सकता हूँ टू गिव द लास्ट रिटन एग्जाम विच ऑफिशियली क्लोज सेमेस्टर 1 तो मेरे लिए इट वाज द बिगेस्ट अचीवमेंट ऑफ द ईयर. 9th question, what was your biggest failure?
Failure.
The whole idea is to be as honest as possible.
Of course, I wanted to take admission for MPhil, but do something further in linguistics, but for various reasons that's not possible. So I would consider that as a failure. But I don't. So technically, it's a failure. But then I started. I have also taken admission with you, and it's a new chapter. It's a new experience. So I don't look at it as failure. But definitely, it would have been a different turn of life, turn of events, which is now totally different because that didn't happen as I planned.
प्लान कुछ भी करते हो उस हिसाब से कभी कुछ नहीं होता इसलिए तो ये क्वेश्चंस चलते हैं ऐसे.
हाँ, बट अभी तक का मेरा एक्सपीरियंस यही है, जो हुआ है अच्छे के लिए ही हुआ है. One
वो
of the
मैं
biggest
slowly
failure
सीख
turned
रहा हूँ.
into you, and you became the biggest achievement, I would say.
वो आगे आगे पता चलेगा तेरे को. 9वां क्वेश्चन व्हाट वाज वही मेरे लिए व्हाट वाज द बिगेस्ट फेलियर वुड बी टू नॉट do the thing that I was planning to with respect to business and letting go of a very heavy, financially heavy investment, incurring a kind of a loss and not able to tap the potential of that whole thing was my biggest failure, I think so, right in the middle of the year. So from there to go through the remainder of the year which turned out in a very different manner which दूर तक मेरे दिमाग में नहीं था was a very pleasant experience actually.
But you can also look at it as an achievement that you made the most of it. You minimize the damage as much as possible. I
but
wanted to talk about that in terms of achievement, that we managed to minimize the damage as much as possible. Could have been much worse. But I didn't want to talk about it because it's water under the bridge. I don't want to remember it. I had some fond memories with that.
No, but if I have to put अभी क्योंकि वो question है इसलिए कि है मतलब अगर पूरा साल का देखे तो that's the biggest failure कि to let go of that
That's
investment.
not a failure. It is we are going in a different direction and we are taking difficult decisions. Sometimes you have to take that.
Maybe failure based on some past ambitions, past versions or past goals. अभी तो मेरे को वो फेलियर जैसे रजिस्टर भी नहीं होता जस्ट एक रिग्रेट जैसा रजिस्टर होता है. ओके लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस वन बिकॉज एक साथ 40 करना बहुत मुश्किल है. सो दिस इज द 10th वन. व्हाट अदर हार्डशिप्स डिड यू फेस थ्रू द ईयर?
Hardships, going through the red tape, stupid universities, their admins, their silly requirements. Then I feel that is one because before this the other departments were like better managed, but I am surprised to see the quality. People are so ignorant and so careless. Sometimes I feel it's good if their jobs are taken by AI. They deserve it. I know I'm sounding like a sadist, but yes, there are people like that. Despite of reminding them 10 times, they will mess up your spellings. They'll forget to do things. They will not respond properly. They are unnecessary rude. they don't know what the basic things required for the jobs. So yes, at the cost of sounding like a bitch, that is it for me.
मुझे कुछ नहीं है क्यों बोलने का ना बिंदास, कोई काम नहीं कर रहा है तो नहीं कर रहा है, उसकी वजह
नहीं कर
hardship
रहे
अपने
से
को
ज्यादा
face करना
मतलब
पड़ता
क्या,
है।
नॉट इवन क्वालिफाइड, इतना बेसिक हाइजीन भी नहीं होता है, तो थोड़ा तकलीफ होता है.
What other hardships did I face? I think I'm still recovering from a burnout, and much better than 2-3 years ago. But अगर 2025 का बोला तो coming to terms with a new life, have to take some tough decisions while at the same time recovering from a burnout, completely lost, venturing into completely new territories, taking some bad decisions along the way. Somehow it's not easy coming back to education after such a long time,
And still you did so well.
and just going through the motion. Starting में तो it was just deer caught in headlights. अभी देख के लगता है कि अरे यार इतना भी ये नहीं था, but at that time the way those were the hardships, and I think the bigger hardship was seeing you in those hardships because of my hardships. That I think affected me much more, and it was a vicious loop. So I know I was going through something. Seeing that you got impacted, knowing that you got impacted because of what I was going through, put me in an even darker loop, and there were days when it was really difficult to just get out of that dark hole. So I think those were the hardships in 2025. But again, in retrospect, देखा तो the darkness was more in 2024. It was darker in 2023. It was much darker in 2022. So compared to that, 2025 was still better.
चलो अच्छा है. 50 Shades of Black. Move on.
50 Shades of Black हो गया. So 10 question हो गए.
हो गए.
ऐसे ही there are 3 more sets. 10 question as it goes along to reflect on the year gone by.
I don't like to preach, but जो अगर कोई सुन रहा है
क्या?
तो पॉज करके तुम भी सोचो about these things in your life and answer to yourself. If you want to share it with us, share it with us.
हाँ तो वही
Make use of it.
जिसने क्वेश्चंस लिखा है उसका एजेंडा ही वो है कि सेज कि डिस्ट्रीब्यूट इट बिटवीन अदर पीपल इन योर लाइफ, डू इट एज एन एक्सरसाइज फॉर योर ओन लाइफ, डू इट विद अदर्स. मैं चाहिए तो ये डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी क्वेश्चंस ड्रॉप कर देगा. एंड दैट्स इट until part 2 with the next 10 questions. Adios amigos, tata,
टाटा.
bye bye.
मोगू मोगू.
मोगू 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 गोगू खत्म.
बाय बाय.